Welcome guys. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert text, dimension and layer properties. So let's start from text. If you want to write a text, create text, there is two options: multi-text and single line. So first I'm going to start from some multi-text. Click this and then click anywhere you want. For example, I want to here, then you can write your text. You can type how much you want. When you finish, you can click outside. You can edit your text from here. If you want to change from here, you can change the height of text. I'm not going to change. From here you can make bold or not bold, or maybe italic or not, or maybe use an underline or not. That's up to you. And then from here you can change the font style. What font do you want to like? And I'm not going to change. And from here you can change by the color by yourself, or you can choose by layer. If you set up the layer, it's right according to the layer. And from here you can change this from right to left, center, right to left, or justify it, or maybe line space. There is or middle left. It's up to you how to set it. And there is, it's easy. And then here column. You want to do column, one column, no column, dynamic. It's up to you. I'm not going to change. When you done your setup, and then close text. This is your text. Okay, the next one is single line. When you click, and then first specify your start time. For example, I want to start from here, and then you can type the height of the text, or you can just click anywhere. I'm going to click in here. This is the height of text, and then the direction of text. Now you can type or you can choose. For example, now I'm going to in this direction. Okay, and now you can when you're done, click outside and then enter. This is how we create line. Write with an angle. You can write with angle. Let's try it. I'm going to start from here. This is the height of the text, and then the angle I'm going to write 45 degree. Okay, and then this. Click outside and then enter. That's how we create it. And the text. Dimension. Let's start the dimension in this drawing. So first I'm going to use for this line. Oops. As you can see, this so small, and you can see that. If you want to change this, just type D, then enter. I'm going to change from here, modify, and here text high. I'm going to change it to 4. And also in here you can change the color of the line. It's the setup for the line type by black, or line weight. You can change line weight as what you want, and baseline space. This is the setting for the line. And then sample and arrow, you can change the sample and arrow. This symbol, this is the first one, the second one, and the later if you want to change. And arrow size, I'm not going to change this. The arrow size if you want to change. And this is the setup for the text style, which kind of standard or annotated, text color, fill color or not, text height. Now I changed this text height, text placement, vertical, horizontal. If it's vertical, it's in the center. If vertical, also in the center. You can change from here. I'm not going to change. And then this is fit. Some setting in here. I'm not going to change. And also from here, unit format. You can change unit format from here to engineering, architecture, decimal, precision. I'm going to change this. Now you can see there's 4. I'm going to change to 2, and then round off. You can say prefix or suffix. Maybe if you want to change, write maybe m like that. After your unit, this is right the unit also. I'm not going to use this. And then okay, and close. So now start the dimension from here to here. It's 30.73 unit. Or you can draw if you can dimension if the line is like that with the angle. Use this like that. Let's go to annotation. There is some or you can quick access. For example, you want to give a dimension in this. Okay, select this and then enter and put in here. Okay, and let's start the continue. You can continue like this, and like this, and finish. Just enter. Or you can use baseline. From this line, click here, 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 here. Yeah, good. This is the baseline. Okay, and now for this arc, using radial, this type, click, and then okay. That's the radius is 4.94. This is how we give a dimension to our drawing. Okay, now I'm going to show you one important things for regarding to the dimension. So now I'm going to create a layer. Go to the layer and then I'm going to create a new layer, and the name is dimension. As you can see now, if I give dimension in here, let's go to this layer. This is the layer 0. So now I'm going to show you if I give a dimension, it's go direct to the the dimension layer. Okay, type dim layer and then enter, and now write the layer name, dimension. Okay, now if you when you give a dimension, it go directly to the dimension layer. Maybe this, and now when you click, see, this is the dimension layer. If you click this, that's the 0 layer, and then see this the dimension layer. If you now draw something, maybe I'm going to draw something else. And now I'm going to give it dimension. Before you change the layer, just give it dimension, and then when you want to check, see, it's go directly to dimension layer. Okay, it was about the dimension, and now I'm going to show you how to properties your layer. Okay, click the layer properties, and from here, if you want to create a new layer, just click in here, new layer, or you can right click, and here you can say new layer. When you create a new layer, you can give it name, for example for line, and then click anywhere. From here you can turn on and off your layer. If you off your layer, you can see anything in here. For example, I'm going to off dimension layer. Let's click off. See, the dimension is gone. On. Okay, this is freeze. If you click freeze, the dimension, the layer that you created, there will be hiding. When I freeze, now you can see, and the layout also. Okay, the next one is you can lock or unlock your layer, or you can from here you can change the color for the layer. What color if you want to give it, maybe red. From here you can change the line style, or maybe this, or you can from load you can change different line style from here. Okay, I'm not going to change. From here you can change the line width or width you want. Okay, and then when you set up the layer, and then you can close here. Before I'm going to close, I'm going to show you this new layer by frozen. If you want to delete the layer, just click in here, delete the layer. If you want to use this current layer just click in here, set current layer. Now it's current layer in here, or you can say change in here. When set up your layer, you can just close. That's it. Okay, thanks for watching. See you the next tutorial.